Arwakini machiegni eka gikacha nyinga Milton Ochieng. Duol mochung' ne riwo wi oganda jo Kenya kod thira kwede National Cohesion and Integration Commission oyango ni ginono weche manyisa athuye kod akwede mitudo godo moko kuom jotelo mag siasa ma pacho ka. E kinde twak margi gi jofwamb weche, NCIC olero ni jatend duond bura mar DCP Rigathi Gachagua, jatend migawo mar thieth Aden Duale kod jatend jotije sirikal Geoffrey Ruku gin moko kuom jotelo ma ginono e weche ma yande giwacho.
Mission through its investigations and compliance department is conducting independent investigations into utterances attributed by the following persons: His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, former Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya; Cabinet Secretary Honorable Aden Duale; Cabinet Secretary Honorable Geoffrey Ruku; His Excellency Paul Nyongesa Otuoma, Governor, Busia County; His Excellency Dr. Ali Maalim Mohamud, Deputy Governor, Mandera County; Honorable John K. Waluke, MP, Sirisia. We are an institution that believes in the due process, believe in the law, and the procedures that we have as a commission. So until someone raises a formal complaint, especially from our people, it puts us in a very awkward place because we don't know whether the clip that has been